Hello and welcome to the first Digital EUHA, which is of course very different from what you see here. And now follow me to the DETAX exhibition hall. Hey Marcus.
Hi.
Are you ready?
Sure. We are the experts for your 3D applications. Together with our technology partners, we validated the process, devices and also the newest printers on the market to create a perfect workflow for you.
Meet us in the chat and take advantage of our know-how for your own process.
We proudly present the result of our cooperation with SpectroPlast, the first printable pure silicon for the DLP process.
For more information about Medura, meet us in the chat now.
This is our wide range of light-curing 3D printing materials for hearing aids. We've been able to increase the shelf life of our products to 36 months.
Our R&D team is ready to develop your custom-made material. Meet us in the chat to discuss your project.
Yes, we are certified according to the MDR. Today I'm here to support you regarding your challenges of the MDR. Meet me in the chat.
Hey Routing, what are the export news this year?
We have prepared many exhibition specials. Veronica, 今年的展会我们有活动折扣吗？
当然有，我们的产品是无价之宝。
Exactly. Join us in the DETAX chat. Our team is now waiting for you. And we speak also your language.